Today, Southern Gardening is at the Truck Crops Branch Experiment Station in Crystal Springs, Mississippi, checking out some luscious lantanas. The Luscious Lantana series is known for their striking, brightly colored flower clusters that cover dark green foliage and their easy maintenance requirements. They are fast-growing and can reach up to 3 feet high, spreading up to 4 feet wide. Blooming throughout the summer and fall, these plants attract pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds to the landscape. Luscious Marmalade is one of the most popular varieties of the series, known for its gorgeous dark orange and yellow blooms that resemble an evening sunset. Luscious Royale Lemon Tart Lantana is another stunning variety that features bright yellow blooms that resemble a lemon tart. Luscious Basket Tangelo Lantana is a beautiful variety that boasts bright and cheerful orange and yellow blooms. Lastly, Luscious Royale Red Zone Lantana is a magnificent variety of lantana with striking red and yellow blooms. All of these plants are certified sterile, so they will spend their energy on producing gorgeous flowers all season long. With their striking blooms and ability to thrive in a variety of conditions, Luscious Lantanas are a beautiful and versatile addition to any landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.